There are three things I really love about this NEEWER Basics tripod. First of all, it's very sturdy construction. I mean, the legs are all metal, and sometimes you don't see that with a lot of tripods at this price point. Second is the degrees on here. So if you are really trying to take a good measurement of, you're trying to move only a certain amount and measure it when you're taking photos or video, you're going to have that capability here by the degree markings. And my favorite part is this ball. I don't see very many tripods that have this ball in it. So it's like a flexible neck. You can go all the way down. So the angles for your camera or whatever you're stabilizing with the tripod are endless. Oh, and one more thing. And this level here is, I guess, my fourth favorite thing, because you'll always be able to know if your device you're mounting on here is level or not, whether it has its own internal leveling indicators or not. So if you're needing a great multi-purpose tripod, I highly recommend this one. I don't think it's going to disappoint.